Bulacan Agricultural State College envisions to become a globally engaged higher education institution of agriculture and allied disciplines. And its mission is to provide excellent instruction, conduct relevant research, and foster community engagement that produce highly competent graduates necessary for the development of the country. BASC has 3 campuses and 2 extension classes. The BASC main campus, established in Barangay Pinaod, San Ildefonso, Bulacan. The College of Agriculture, located in the nearby Barangay Poblacion, San Ildefonso, Bulacan. And the BASC DRT campus, located in Barangay Sapang Bulak, Doña Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan. The BASC BTVC campus, established in partnership with the Balagtas Technical Vocational School, located in Barangay Pulong Gubat, Balagtas, Bulacan. And the BASC FNAS campus, located in Barangay Guyong, Santa Maria, Bulacan, instituted as an extension campus with the Fortunato F. Halili National Agricultural School.
To this day, Bulacan Agricultural State College remains the first and only state-run higher educational institution of agriculture in Bulacan. For the past 25 years of existence as a state college, it has become an educational anchor for the poor but deserving students in Bulacan and the whole Central Luzon region. It is one of the 55 out of 106 state universities and colleges in the country with Level 3 status based on CMO No. 9 Series of 2019 issued by the Commission on Higher Education.
The Bulacan Agricultural State College continues to uphold its commitment to offer quality education to less privileged but deserving students. The institution remains steadfast in offering relevant and responsive curricular programs and the enhancement of the same, directed towards international standards, in improving the competencies of its faculty and staff and its facilities, in participating in knowledge production and dissemination, and in creating an academic space where students can experience life-balanced learning environment. The BASC, soon to be full-fledged Bulacan State Agricultural University, lives by its maxim, shaping minds, transforming lives.
Bilang isang pampublikong dalubhasaan kung saan libre ang matrikula, prioridad ng BASC na makapagbigay ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa aming mga estudyante. Bilang sandata namin para sa maunlad na kinabukasan.
Nakatuon ang BASC sa pagpapaunlad ng mga kursong inihahain nito upang makasabay sa kahusayan ng mga mas malalaking universidad dito sa Rehiyon 3 sa bansa maging sa ibayong dagat.
At the College of Agriculture, BASC offers Doctor of Philosophy in Agricultural Sciences, major in Animal Science, Horticulture, Master of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, Horticulture, Agricultural Extension, Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, Agricultural Extension and Communication, Crop Science with specialization in Horticulture, Agronomy.
Hinahasa kami sa larangan ng agrikultura at veterinary medicine ng may partikular na atensyon sa pagpapahalaga at pangangalaga sa kalikasan.
Dito sa College of Agriculture, sinisiguro ng BASC na ang aming kakayahan ay maging kapaki-pakinabang sa komunidad at lipunan.
The BASC Doña Remedios Trinidad campus was established in 2005. The program Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry is unique in this campus. In addition, Bachelor of Elementary Education is also offered at the BASC DRT campus.
Sa pagkatatag ng Bulacan Agricultural State College, Doña Remedios Trinidad Campus noong 2005, nabigyan kami ng pagkakataong makapag-aral at magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan. Tinutugunan ng BASC ang pangangailangan ng komunidad. Ito ay malaking tulong para sa mga mamamayan ng bayan ng Doña Remedios Trinidad.
Upang maihanda sa oportunidad sa hinaharap, pinapanday dito sa BASC BTVC Campus ang aming kaalaman at kakayahan upang mas maging kapaki-pakinabang sa lipunan.
Established in 2011, the BASC Balagtas Technical Vocational College, or BTVC Extension Campus, offers Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Crop Science, Bachelor of Elementary Education, and the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Dito sa Bulacan Agricultural State College, FNAS Campus, instrumento ang aming mga guro sa pagpantay ng aming kaalaman at kakayahan sa larangan ng agrikultura at iba pang kaugnay na larangan.
The BASC Fortunato F. Halili National Agricultural School Extension Campus was established in 2010. This campus offers Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, both crop science and animal science majors.
Sinisiguro ng BASC FNAS Campus na nabibigyan kami ng tama at sapat na mga kagamitan para sa aming pag-aaral. Hinuhubog kami upang makapag-ambag sa seguridad ng pagkain sa komunidad at bansa.
Dito sa Institute of Management, adhikain ng BASC na sa pamamagitan ng aming kaalaman at kasanayan ay makasunod kami sa lahat ng iiral ng kalakaran sa larangan ng Agribusiness Management, Business Administration at Hospitality Management.
The BASC Institute of Management offers Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, and Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Bilang karagdagan sa mga kaalamang natututunan namin mula sa libro at sa apat na sulok ng silid-aralan, nakakakuha din kami ng karunungan mula sa iba't ibang pang-akademikong gawain sa loob at labas ng aming kolehiyo.
The Institute of Education offers Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, Science, Educational Management. For undergraduate programs, the Institute offers Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science, English, and Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Bukod sa abot-kayang edukasyon na ibinibigay para sa lahat, dekalidad ang pagsasanay at paghahanda dito sa Bulacan Agricultural State College para sa magandang kinabukasan ng bawat estudyante.
Dito sa BASC, ang paglinang sa aming kaalaman ay kaakibat ng adhikain ng dalubhasaan na magamit namin ang aming kahusayan sa pagpanday ng mga kaisipan.
The Institute of Engineering and Applied Technology offers Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, and Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Dito sa Institute of Engineering and Applied Technology, hinuhubog ang aming kakayahan sa larangan ng Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering, Geodetic Engineering, Information Technology, at Food Technology.
The Institute of Arts and Sciences, over the years, has been instrumental in building strong foundation on general courses among the students. This school year 2022, 2023, the Institute opened its pioneer program, Bachelor of Science in Development Communication.
Sa pamamagitan ng Institute of Arts and Sciences, sinisikap ng BASC na mabigyan ng balanse at matatag na pundasyon ng karunungang pangagham at pansining ang mga estudyante.
Habang hinahasa kami sa larangan ng siyensya, iminumulat sa amin ang kontribusyon nito sa pag-unlad ng lipunan at bansa. Kaakibat ang layuning mapanaig sa ating lipunan ang paggalang sa karapatang pantao ng bawat mamamayan.
All curricular offerings of BASC have been issued Certificate of Program Compliance by the Commission of Higher Education.
Bilang isang alumni ng BASC, habang buhay kong tatanungin isang napakalaking utang na loob na ako ay nakapagtapos sa institusyong ito. Sa aking kasalukuyang gampanin bilang isang lingkod bayan, malaking impluensya ang mga kaisipan at pagpapahalagang naitimo sa akin ng Bulacan Agricultural State College.
Napakalaking biyaya talaga sa akin ang BASC dito sa San Ildefonso, Bulacan dahil dito natuto ako at umunlad ang aking kaisipan. Maipagmamalaki ko ang BASC ay isa sa pinakamagaling na paaralan dahil dito ako nag-aral mula sekundarya sa college hanggang sa aking pagiging Doctor of Philosophy in Education.
The BASC, soon to be full-fledged Bulacan State Agricultural University, lives by its maxim, shaping minds, transforming lives.